I'd like to talk about third-party cases. So what does that mean? Well, in the context of workers' comp, it means this. If you are injured at work, you cannot sue your employer. They have what's called statutory immunity. You can't sue them for negligence. All you're entitled to is whatever the Workers' Comp Act affords you, and that is primarily payment of medical bills, payment of your wage loss, and any specific loss, which could be an amputation or a scar or something like that. However, there is this concept of third-party actions, and that comes into play when someone who is not your employer is negligent and causes your injury. We see a lot of this at construction sites. We see a lot of it with truck drivers, people who have motor vehicle accidents. So say you're a truck driver and you're going down the highway, somebody cuts you off and you have an accident that injures you. You get a comp case open, they start paying you. You can then sue the driver and hopefully they're insured so that you can collect in a negligence claim for pain, suffering, and everything you can get in a civil action at law. Now, every time we have a client and we listen to the facts, and the facts seem to implicate some third party, it could be simple as like you work in a factory and the machines are maintained by some outside mechanical firm and they screw up and you get hurt on the machine. They could be the target of a third party as well. So we always look at these cases and advise our clients that we'll handle your workers' comp case, but there also may be a third party. And, if that is prosecuted and filed in the county where you got hurt, then you could go to trial, you could win a verdict, you could settle it. But the only thing is subrogation. So what is subrogation? When you get hurt at work and the insurance company starts paying you comp benefits, they're building up a fund, like a lien. They've paid X amount of money. Say it's $100,000. Then you sue a third party. That $100,000 is subrogable, meaning that workers' comp insurance can try to get some of that money back. Now, the law tells us exactly what they're entitled to. However, it's not all of what they paid out. It's just a percentage. It's always less than half, usually. It depends on the circumstances, but that's also negotiable. So if you're negotiating against a third party, they want to offer you an X amount of money to settle that third party. And there's not enough money to go around. Say the insurance company is entitled to $50,000 back, and they're only offering you $100 on this side, and you got to pay your attorney and all that. That can be negotiated down so that everybody gets paid. So anytime you get hurt at work, if someone else was liable, tell your attorney. Tell them the circumstances and facts so they can pursue it.